She's giving summer vibes. She's giving big hair, don't care. Like, honey, don't let my hair hit you, okay? Like, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm sharing with you this gorgeous, huge, do you see this hair? This is a lot of hair. This unit is from LUVME Hair, and this is their Afro curly undetectable invisible lace frontal wig. For the best wig reviews and relaxed hair content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So first, you want to subscribe, and second, click that bell. Click it, subscribe, and click it, subscribe, and click it. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on IG at Love Sharon Pratt. That's LUV Sharon Pratt for beauty, fashion, and lifestyle inspiration. Go ahead, do it right now. Go give your girl a follow. Thank you. Before we get into it, I want to give a huge thank you to LUVME Hair for sponsoring this video. I'm super excited to share this unit with you. I mean, look at this hair. She is gorgeous. She is full. She is living her best life. You know, she's giving summer vibes. All the information on this unit, as well as the direct link to this unit, will be down in the description box below. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. So let's get into this wig review. Okay, lovies, so I have the wig right here. Let's do a quick unboxing. So this is the wig. It comes in this gorgeous purple, you know this box. I don't know, it's the packaging for me. Let's open this box up and see what all we have. So we have the wig and this nice sheer pouch that says LUVME Hair. I mean, it's the attention to detail for me. That's what I'm loving. Okay, so we get a pair of lashes. So 2 pairs of lashes. So we have nails. So press on nails, as well as a scrunchie and a comb. Listen, they coming through for us. And also directions on how to care for your wig. So once again, this is the Afro curly glueless frontal wig. It's in the inch 24 and the lace is undetectable. So before we put her on, let's get into the wig construction. Okay, so this is the 13x4 frontal. The knots are bleached already, if you can't tell. You see that? So they're bleached. So it's your basic wig construction. It comes with 4 combs, 1 on each side, 1 on the crown, and 1 on the back. It also comes with an elastic band that's already installed for you, so that's a plus, as well as adjustable straps so you can adjust the fit of the wig for your head. And then also look, it says LUVME Hair. So LUVME Hair is always on brand. I recommend co-washing your wigs before you install them for hygiene purposes, but also so the wig can pop. You want the curls to pop. So that happens when you wet the hair, you have conditioner in it, and you work in the conditioner and comb out the curls with the paddle brush. That is when magic happens and the curls start to pop and come to life. So now I'm going to style the unit. I like to keep my regimen or routine very simple, especially when it comes to curly hair. So I just co-washed the hair in the shower, as you saw, and you see the curls are popping. So she looks so good and juicy. So the curls are already defined now, but I'm going to style her. So all I'm going to do is give her a light mist of water, so a light spray of water, because she's kind of dry. I'm going to apply some conditioner as my styler. This is what I use to co-wash the hair as well. So I'm just gonna take the conditioner in my hand and just run it through the curls as a styler. So just like this. So I want to define the curls, but I don't want it to be heavy or crunchy, so I'm just going to use this because it will have a light hold. And then I'm going to scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. So like I said, very simple. So this unit is very soft. The hair is super soft and fluffy. So now she's all set. I'm just going to let her air dry, and then that's it. So that's how I style or prep my curly wigs, and she's going to be gorgeous and fluffy and defined. Okay, so this is the unit all dry. Well, it's not dry, maybe 80% dry, but these are the curls. As you can see, look at that shine. Let's put her on. Okay, so this is her straight out of the box. All I did was cut the lace off, and she looks pretty cute. So the wig comes with a side part, so it's not a middle part, it's a side part, as you can see. So yeah, straight out the box, I love her. She has a lot of hair. This is a lot of hair. So if you don't like a lot of hair, this might not be the wig for you, but for my big hair girls like this, you gonna love this. You gonna love this. So I am going to go ahead and style the wig. I am going to define my part, slick these edges down, and secure the wig on my head. So that's what I'm going to do. What do you guys think about this Afro curly hair? Are you into it? Do you like the texture? Do you like the look, the vibe on me? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, let me know if this is a unit that you would actually wear yourself. I love the way this unit came out. Very simple and easy to install. So as you guys saw, I just used Got to Be spray and I laid down the wig and it is on my hair. Like, it's on my head, it's secure. So that's all I did. With the hair itself, I didn't do much to the hair. I didn't even comb out the hair. I just went ahead and finger combed the unit because it's an Afro curly unit, so you don't have to do much to it. So that's why I like this unit. And the lace actually blended very nicely into my skin. So I am loving this invisible lace. Okay, so let's get into this wig review. First off, I didn't smell anything. This unit does not have a smell and I love that. A unit with no smell, best thing ever. Okay, so I do want to show you that the hair does shed. As you can see, this is all the shedding I got from co-washing and brushing out the hair in the shower. This is all that came out. So this is a good amount. But with kinky curly textures or afro, curly, any curly type of textures, it will shed. So that's to be expected. So I have this gorgeous unit in 24 inches. So she is really long. She doesn't look that long because it's afro curly hair. So definitely has shrinkage, but if you stretch her out, she is long. So you have length, but it's still giving that afro vibe. You see, we're doing this, and I'm here for it. I love that. 180% density, but she is so full, like it's not missing any hair. And I like a lot of hair, and usually I'm like, yeah, I love this hair, give me more hair. But with this unit, I'm actually happy and satisfied. Like I don't need any more hair. Like perfection. I love it. How much does this gorgeous unit cost? It is $445. So I absolutely love this wig. The hair is nice and soft. It's pretty good quality. The knots are bleached for you, as well as it's pre-plucked. So I love that about the hair. It's super full. I mean, it's full from front to back, from side. Don't matter where you're looking at this unit, it's full. She is full. Of course, you know your girl want to help you save some money, save some coins. I will put my discount code in the description box below. So yeah, make sure you check it out. So those are my thoughts on this LUVME Hair, this afro curly 24-inch invisible undetectable lace front wig. Once again, I want to give a huge thank you to LUVME Hair for sponsoring this video. Make sure you go ahead and check them out. I will have the direct link to this unit as well as their website down in the description box below. Comment down below and let me know, how are you loving this afro curly hair? Like, are you feeling it? Is this a unit that you would gravitate towards? Is this a unit that you would buy for yourself? Let us know in the comment section down below. Check out these videos next for more wig reviews and relaxed hair content. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it with all your